user. This code is all about the computing travel time using the formula of time is equals to distance divided speed. It asks the user to enter the traveler's name, the distance to be traveled, and the speed of the vehicle. After that, the program calculates on how many hours a trip will take and display the result. The first line, this line is ask the user to type the traveler's name. Whatever the user type will be stored in the variable name. In the second line, the distance, this asks the user to enter the distance in kilometer. Float, open and close parentheses, convert the input into a decimal number so that the program can calculate properly even with non-whole numbers. The third line, this asks the user to input speed in kilometers per hour. Again, float, open and close parentheses is used so the program can handle decimal values. In the next line, this line performs the formula to compute time. The distance is divided by the speed to get the travel time in R. In this line, the last line is this display the final result formats the number to two decimal places, making the output clean and professional. The sentence shows the traveler's name, distance, speed, and total time in R. That's all. Thank you.